Once upon a time, there was a king. He had a greater respect for the royal priest of his kingdom. Whenever priest came, king would get up from his throne and honor him. One day, king asked him, "Sir, I have a question." The royal priest said, "Sure, king, you can ask me." The king said, "Sir, please tell me whether a person's conduct is great or his knowledge is great." Priest said, "King, give me a few days' time, then I will answer your question." Next day, the royal priest went to king's treasury and picked up some gold coins from there and kept them in his bag. The treasurer saw this but remained silent, considering the position of the royal priest. The royal priest kept doing this continuously for some days. He would go there, pick some gold coins and keep them in his bag and then go. The treasurer watched all this. When this started to happen every day, then the treasurer went to king and told him the whole story. The next day, when the priest went to palace, the king neither went to receive him nor got up from his throne. Royal priest understood that the matter of taking gold coins from treasury had reached to king. King raised his voice and asked to priest, "Have you taken gold coins from treasury?" Priest said, "Yes, this is true." King got angry and asked, "Why did you do this? Don't you care about your dignity and respect? Does it suits you to steal like this?" Priest smiled and said, "King, I deliberately took the gold coins. I wanted to show you whether a person's conduct is greater or his knowledge. When you came to know that I have taken gold coins without your permission, you did not get up from your throne in respect, which you usually do. On contrary, you raised your voice and got angry at me. My knowledge was with me even before lifting the gold coins, and it is with me even after stealing gold coins. But as soon as you came to know about my theft, you lost respect for me. You used to respect me because of my conduct, but as soon as my conduct changed, your thoughts about me also changed, and you did not respect me. This is the answer of your question which you asked me few days ago." The king understood the point. He got up from his throne, bowed down to priest, and respected the priest as he deserved. If we see in our lives, then we will find that a respected life is a demand of everyone. Everyone wants to get respect in their office, house, and society. But we forget that to get respect, first of all, we need to have a good conduct, because respect is not found, but it is earned. We can earn respect by our good conduct and good manners. If we will not have a good conduct, then even our education, position, and even wealth cannot get us respect. Good conduct means being a well-behaved person, polite, gentle, disciplined, and sweet person. Some people behave well with sweet words only in front of others, but from behind they talk bad. That is not a good conduct. The real good conduct remains the same in front of you and behind of you. Good conduct should not only be found from outside, but also from inside. Whatever we are from inside, sooner or later it will reflect outside also. Good manners are very necessary to have for a person to live a happy, disciplined, and peaceful life. It can also get you success in any field of life. It will create your good impression in society, school, office, friends, and family. It will make your life more and more pleasant day by day. Therefore, if you want to earn respect from others, then you must have a good conduct. And always remember that knowledge will give you power, but good conduct will earn you a place in the heart of others.